So if you're gonna buy a Vevor vacuum chamber like I did, well, you might want to watch my long form video on this. But this is the one that I bought. It's pretty much everything you can see there that came with it, except for a little vacuum tube that you can plug up to the barbed end there. But if you don't know anything about vacuums, you need to know that the gaskets that are supposed to fit on the valve stem are supposed to be larger than the diameter of the hole that the valve stem is supposed to go through. Otherwise, you can't exactly pull vacuum because air comes in. Yeah, that's how vacuums work. If you didn't know, so I went through the painstaking process of really doing something pretty simple that I'm going to show you how to do in my long form video if you choose to watch it and make this thing. This is a silicone gasket that I cast in a 3D printed mold. This perfectly solved the problem. It was really easy to make, especially with my walkthrough on how to do this. This is the quick picture of it fitting on the valve stem. It's got a tight fit on that brass valve stem. You don't want any leaks, obviously. That's why undersized the hole to go on the valve stem and oversized the part that goes through the glass. Here it is installed onto the plexiglass or whatever that material is. And after doing this, it perfectly worked. Here's a quick picture of it working in the video. This is a quick picture just showing that it is pulling vacuum. It does hold vacuum, which you can see in that video as well. Yeah, it was a pretty quick and easy fix, although you may need some instruction on how to do that if you've never done it before. So I go into a lot of depth on how to make this, the 3D print, the 3D model for the 3D print, different considerations that you're going to want to make when you're manufacturing something like this. I actually did it perfectly on my first try, which was a surprise to me because it was the first thing I've ever silicone cast before. But like I said, with something this small and this size, shape, and everything, it was pretty simple. But if you follow my video, you're going to learn a lot about specific best practices and how to use Fusion 360 to make a 3D model and then go and 3D print it. So I highly recommend checking that video out if you're interested at all in this kind of stuff. I'm going to be doing a lot of different videos like this. I'm just getting this channel started, really. I love engineering principles, and I'm an engineer myself. I love doing a whole bunch of things like this, creating something, inventing something new, or just making something myself, even that already exists, and just saving money or exploring how other people do it themselves as well. So check that video out. Hope you learned something, and thanks for checking this short out.